we're electrifying society as a whole. And these megatrends require a lot of additional grid capacity. Globally, there are more than 3,000 gigawatts of new renewable power waiting in line to be connected to the grid. And that is our vision to enable the green energy transition by optimizing power grids around the world. We need new digital technologies to help us get more out of the existing power grids. We combine virtual software sensors with physical sensors like this one to enable utilities to increase capacity of existing power lines with 30% or more. The limiting factor of a power line is the temperature. Think of this as the speed limit. And without sensors, grid operators are driving their grids without a speedometer. Heimdall Power uses software and sensors to provide utilities with a speedometer, unlocking maybe 30 to 40% additional capacity. Our physical sensor can be used to add a lot of new renewable energy. The Neuron weighs in at about 8 pounds and is the size of a bowling ball. The Neuron harvests power directly from the power line, making it self-sustaining without any maintenance. In very flat terrain, you might only need a sensor every 3 or 4 miles, and the rest covered by virtual sensors. The Neuron can be installed on live lines in less than 20 seconds using our autonomous drone installation system. We expect that our Neurons, or magic balls, will optimize grids in every corner of the world.